Hello everyone and welcome back to Quarantined with the Edge. It is Monday, so that means that it is Steam Monday time. So today we are going to make a simple helicopter that you can launch kind of like a slingshot with very simple materials. You just need to get the, here I'll show you guys. So we just need some scissors. You need your father picking up dry clothes off the line, some rubber bands, the big paper clips, not little ones, scotch tape, masking tape, launchers, and that's about it. And then these, this is your template. I'm going to add a link to the template in the comment section so that you can download that. So yeah, you just take your template and you cut it out so everybody gets one. Here, you can take a scissor. I'll show you guys how to cut. So we're going to cut. It should say 2 and 3 here. So you're going to cut, there's a line there, you're going to cut along that line. Or that line there. The middle? Yeah, that line there, yep. So that you have this here. I know we don't have 3 pairs of scissors. We probably do somewhere in the house. And then the one that says 4 and 5, you're going to cut a little bit below that line. About, yeah. We're going to come back to this guy and cut him up again, but for now we're just going to work with 2 and 3. Here you go, Carlos.
Okay, so I cut here. Yep.
Okay. Ooh, I'm getting some sun on the back, on my back right now. Oh, we actually don't need the masking tape. We just need the scotch tape. Sorry, no need for masking tape, just scotch tape. So as he's cutting, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to fold. See, there's a dashed line above the 1. We're just going to fold on that line and just fold up the 1 like so. So next we are going to take our paper clip. So now we are not going to paper clip the bottom from the bottom here. We're going to paper clip the little lip that we just folded. So we're going to take our paper clip, we're going to push it down over the lip so we just have a little bit of a paper clip hanging off the bottom. So you got your paper clip, Carlos?
Yeah, there we go.
All right.
Got it.
Now we're each going to take a little bit of masking tape. No, scotch tape. What is this called again? This is scotch tape. We're good.
Yeah.
Here,
is this how I do it?
Further down, all the way down.
Oh, should I do this side?
That's for you. Here, so it should look like this.
Oh.
Here, let's get my nephews working on this. So you should get something where it looks a little bit like this. Then you're going to take a little bit of your scotch tape and you're going to simply put it over the top part of the paper clip. Like so, guys. Right like that. So it should look like that with a little bit of masking tape across the top. See? There's your masking tape on the table right there.
I just tape it
So
like
like
this.
this.
Perfect.
We slide this central.
No, all the way down. Just push it all the way down. Yep, there you go. Soren's holding us up again.
Huh? What?
Nothing.
Okay.
So next we're going to fold these lines in. So we're going to fold along these dashed lines. We're just going to fold it over. So we're going to fold that 2 along that dashed line over there. And then we're going to do the same thing with the 3. So that we get a little... just a little folded up piece of paper with a little bit of a paper clip at the bottom. So now we're going to put this down. We're going to come back to our 4 and 5 piece. We're going to take our scissors and we're just going to cut all the way along down that line to separate our 4 from our 5. Here you go, Soren. So you should now have 2 separate pieces. These are now going to be your helicopter wings. And then you're going to fold up along this little line here. So you're just going to fold up like that. You're just going to take that line, fold it up along that line.
Like this thing?
Exactly. Do that for both.
These are hard.
Yeah, I know. Paper's so tough to fold.
Yeah.
Sure it is.
Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to tape these on as evenly as possible, but at a slight angle to our piece. So we're going to try to take our piece, it's not gonna be like perpendicular or like flat over the top like that. We want it to be a little bit like that, but we do want the fold to be at the top here. We don't want that top to come over. We want the fold to come over the top at a slight angle. So then we're going to take some more masking tape. I'm going to give everybody 2 small pieces.
Wait, it's like this?
Pass that to Soren.
Something like this.
No. Hold on. I'll show you in a second. Here, just take your masking tape first. You get 2 pieces each.
Oh.
No more.
Well, 1 more after this, and that's it. Maybe 2. We'll see. If I'm being generous, I'll give you an extra piece after this. All right, so I'm going to take my 2 pieces. Right. So now you're going to take it, so you're going to fold it, right? And now you're just going to put it over the top like that, just like flat on. So you're not putting the fold over the top. You're going to tape the fold. So now you can open it up a little bit here, like this.
Oh, you mean something like
exactly,
this.
Carlos. Yeah, but don't.
Like
but
that?
put it at a small angle. Nope. See what I got here? See how this is my fold? And the fold, yeah, like this fold is going to be like a lip. So when this opens up, it's going to look like this. So when it opens up, you want it to look like that. So my folded piece is, I'm going to tape onto the folded paper clip piece, but at an angle. So once that's on there, I'm just going to put a little bit of tape down here. You really don't want these to be too heavy.
Wait.
So it's going to look like that.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, and then do the same with the other side. Try to make them even, like evenly done at like the same angle and same height.
So I'm going to want to tape it onto that.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. So you're going to, once again, I'm going to take my folded piece here, my little fold here.
I got it.
Put it on so that it's even. Open it up a little bit so that I can now grab this folded part. This is my fold, my little lip. And I'm going to tape that down again so that both of my pieces are taped. Now we get 1, well, I said 2. All right, we're going to get 2 more pieces of tape, but 1 at a time. Here you go, Carlos. 1 for me, and we'll wait for Soren to catch up.
Because he takes forever.
Can't even get the thing.
All right. So next, what we're going to do, we'll let Soren catch up in a second. We're going to open it up like that. But if you see now, our propellers here, like they're separated. So we're just going to tape these 2 together with our next piece of tape. So we're just going to pinch them together, like I pinched it there, so that these are together here. Now I'm just going to put a piece of tape across the top, so now these stick together. Let me see what you got, Soren.
I did it wrong, but
that you did. Fix that. It's only masking or Scotch tape, so you can slightly, gently peel it off.
There we go. I got it.
Good job, Carlos. He's the smart one.
How do I do? Oh.
Thank you.
There we go, like that.
Yeah, there we go.
I am a genius.
Oh, okay.
And then we just tape it over these. Oh, frick.
Yeah, put the tape on and then, yeah, piece of tape over the top to get those together.
Yeah, about that.
Yeah. That's why you put the tape along the edge of the table so that so that you can easily grab it. So now I'm going to give everybody, so I did try to do this earlier. I made one and it didn't work. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 more piece of tape and I'm going to put it crossways across. So it's like we're making a T or like a plus. So like this piece of tape I did this way, this piece of tape I'm going to do the other way. I don't know if this is going to work with the problem, but we'll find out. Here you go, Carlos. 1 more piece of tape. Just leave it. We'll clean that up later, Soren. We don't have to worry about that right now.
Where did you say to place it?
So you make like a plus sign across the top. Yeah, so just whatever the opposite way is from the other one. So now we have a little propeller thing. So technically we should be able to just throw this and it should fly. But that's no fun. I want to do something where we make it like a slingshot. So we are going to, how you doing there, Soren? Just leave it. We'll clean that up later. Okay. Okay, just leave the tape. We'll clean it up later. Next, so now we're going to get a rubber band. And we're going to attach the rubber band to the paper clip. And this is going to help us create a slingshot kind of idea. This is what makes this design difficult. So if this doesn't work, you can always try throwing it. So I'm just going to put a little, like loop it, just like a little bit through. So that I get a little loop here. And then I'm going to take the rest of my end here. And I'm going to put that through that little loop. And I'm going to tighten it. I'll show you guys in a second. Actually, Carlos, you're a Boy Scout. You should know how to do that. Isn't there like a name for this knot?
So yeah, you take this loop and then you put it through this loop.
Yep.
Oh,
And
so
then
it
you
like
pull it
this
tight.
No, it should look like, yeah, should look like that, Soren.
No, I just do pull this through here.
Put that through the other loop of the rubber band and then pull
What?
tight.
Okay,
so it should look like this, guys.
So a little loop, go through the big loop.
The big loop should go
I
through
am
the
such
either
a
way, it doesn't
genius.
matter. Good job,
there we
Soren.
go, got it.
All right, is there a name for that,
Like
Carlos?
the loop knot.
No, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
So now we're ready to try to launch. So to launch, we're going to fold it down, but don't fold down the top. And now I'm going to take I'm just going to use this guy here. I'm going to take a pencil here like this, and I'm going to, here's, when do you want to grab the camera to film me trying to launch this thing? All right.
I can't see where I'm pulling.
You're fine. So I'm putting the rubber band over the top. I'm gonna hold at the paper clip here, pull down tight. I'm gonna hold down here on here so that I don't get mixed up with the thing, and it snapped off. So yeah, launching is not easy, like I said. You wanna try, Soren? You can try at the same time.
No, I'm just gonna get a
okay.
better video.
All right, let's see.
Oh, what a
That
hell!
almost worked. It almost worked. So that's why you can always just throw it.
Look at
You
that
can always
epic
just take it. Here, you guys will try next. We're at 11 minutes though, so we got to finish this up. So the other way to launch this, so this is the problem, is that the wings get folded and then you're just screwed. So the other way is you just throw it like a baseball in the air and it'll slowly come down. There's your helicopter. All right, anybody else want to try to launch it?
I will.
All right.
I will throw it.
You're going to throw it or you're going to launch it with a rubber band? Who wants to try to launch? You're going to throw it?
I don't know how to launch it.
All right, here you go.
I just tie it like...
All right, let's see. Throw it up in the air. There you go. Oh, very cool. You got a good spin on that one.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can.
This.
Other upside down. So you want to point you want to point it that way so that the rubber band goes this way. The rubber band goes here. You're gonna hold. Maybe just hold here. Don't pinch those.
Okay. So just hold here.
Yep, and then grab below here though. So you're gonna aim it like. Hold on. Let go. You're gonna aim it like that.
Oh.
Here.
Okay.
You're a little tied up though.
Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna.
Yeah, hold the bottom of the pencil. Yeah, like that.
Oh, I see.
And hold the paper clip when you're launching, because that gives you sturdiness so that you're not going to bend the paper.
So hard.
Yeah, a genius came up with this idea. I thought I could do it, but it doesn't work so well.
Yeah.
Well, that's why you throw it like a baseball.
Okay.
Now hold the bottom end of the, yep, and then pull by the clip. Yep, there you go. And that happened. How are we doing on time? All right, there we go. It's almost 14 minutes, so there we go. There's your Steam at Home video for Monday. I'll see you next week with another video.